I was in the interview with a journalist and the lady asked me whether she could call me crazy. And I said, yes, please go ahead. She said, are you minding it that I call you crazy? And I said, no, in the country, it's a compliment. For me, to be crazy means that you're out of the box, that you're thinking much further advanced than other people. And this is exactly what my job, what my passion is about. Our job at Rinspeed is to be a leading manufacturer of concept cars. Concept cars make the future tangible. They make them for people more realistic, and we of course want to communicate on what the future of mobility can be about. So our mission is pretty simple, it's pretty clear. We want to be the leading edge people, we want to be out of the box. Swiss people normally are known to be very conservative. They don't really provoke, but this is exactly the goal which I have this morning.